The BJP has now hit back directly at Sonia and Rahul Gandhi, blaming them for an alleged anti-Hindu plot. In fact, the BJP described Congress veteran Salman Khurshid's new book, Sunrise Over Ayodhya, as part of a conspiracy to defame Hindu faith. The similar to coining of phrases like saffron terror to legitimize jihadis is what the BJP has said. Congress leader in his book has called Hindutva the same as Islamist terror group like ISIS and Boko Haram. The book, which details the Supreme Court's Ayodhya verdict, even calls the upcoming Ram Temple as Hinduism winning over Islam. It also blames BJP rule at the center for rise of Hindutva groups. Now, a criminal complaint has been filed against Salman Khurshid by two Delhi-based lawyers for his complaints against Hindutva.
एक कंट्रोवर्सी ब्रेक हो गया। एक चैप्टर है सैफ्रन्स का है, उसके अंदर सनातन धर्म का, हिंदुत्व का, बोको हराम का आपने जिक्र किया। उसके ऊपर काफी तीखी प्रतिक्रिया जो है दूसरी तरफ से भी आगे बढ़ता है।
जो हिंदुइज्म नहीं जानता है वो तीखी प्रतिक्रिया करेगा, और जो हिंदुइज्म नहीं जानता है, हिंदू धर्म के बारे में नहीं जानता है, या जो इस्लाम को नहीं समझता है, उससे क्या बहस करनी।
300 पेज की किताब आपने लिखी है, बिल्कुल मैंने 30 पेज की किताब आपने लिखी, लेकिन उसमें से एक पन्ना और उसका एक हरफ जो है वो कुछ लोगों को बहुत गलत लग रहा है कि आपने बोको हराम से तुलना करें। क्या कहेंगे आप?
तो पहले वो पूरी किताब में बताएं ना। वो ये कहें कि पूरी किताब में 300 पेजेस हैं जिसका हम समर्थन करते हैं, और एक पेज है या एक सफ़ा है जिसका हम समर्थन नहीं करते हैं, फिर आगे बात करेंगे।
आपके खिलाफ कंप्लेंट तक कर दी गई है इस बार।
अरे कंप्लेंट कर दी थी। यहाँ आकर टमाटर भी फेंक सकते थे, वो तो सब करते ही हैं, इसीलिए तो किताब लिखी है। अगर मैं इस बात से डरता तो मैं किताब ना लिखता।
सलमान खुर्शीद जैसे लोग, जिनको हिंदू मेजॉरिटी राष्ट्र में इतना सम्मान मिला, इज्जत मिली, उनके मन में इस प्रकार का जहर भरा हुआ है, इस प्रकार की बातें करते हैं, अपनी किताब में इस प्रकार का विष सामने लेकर आते हैं अपने जीवन के, राजनीतिक जीवन के अंतिम चरणों में। क्यों ये बेशरम कोशिश?
All right, let me quickly cut across to Supriya Bharadwaj for more on this, a perspective coming in on the political side. Well, Supriya, here you have Salman Khurshid's book that's quite controversial, considering that he's spoken about Hindutva, comparing it to terrorist groups like ISIS, Boko Haram. This was expected not to go down well with the ruling BJP and, of course, many Hindutva groups. A complaint has been filed. What's in that complaint? Take us through.
Well, Nabila, first and foremost, the Congress party has some way said very clearly that whatever statement or whatever the book has the views of Mr. Khurshid, that are his personal views, that has nothing to do with Congress. This is the first reaction coming in from the Congress party communication side. They are saying that it is his personal views. Second thing is this, as far as Salman Khurshid is concerned, yesterday also when we spoke to him, and today morning also when we touched base with him, as far as the complaint is concerned for hurting the religious sentiments of people, this complaint has been filed. Salman Khurshid maintained that he never, compared Hinduism with any of the extremists. He has compared Hindutva. So he's still maintaining this thing that Hindutva is different from Hinduism. Also, when we spoke to him yesterday, he said those people who don't know about Hinduism, don't know about Islam, are trying to create a controversy out of it. But one thing is for sure, before the assembly elections, this entire thing has stirred a hornet's nest, and we are going to see a build-up of a massive showdown between two national parties ahead of the assembly polls, which are going to take place next year.
Well, and quite naturally so, we already see BJP now accusing the Congress, directly blaming Sonia Gandhi for trying to create a plot to tarnish Hindus' image in the country. Thank you very much, Supriya, for joining us with those details.